I just want to show you guys, this is a simple reason why these type of lubrication axle caps do not work. So here it is here, and all it is a grease fitting in the end of this cap. And this customer tried to grease it, didn't realize that the grease fittings failed. But you can tell no grease has been getting in there for a long time. It's got water in the grease. It is marine grease in here, but it does have water in it, and you can see all the rust in there. The best way to lubricate these hubs is to put a grease fitting in the actual spindle, and it pressurizes grease through there, and it comes out in holes for the inner bearing and the outer bearing. Using something like this, all you're doing is shoving grease all the way around here, trying to force it through there. If it could even get to the back, all it's going to probably end up doing is blowing out the rear seal and never actually packing the bearings. So this is worthless. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate your time. Please leave a comment down below. We're all about sharing knowledge and bouncing ideas off of each other. That's what YouTube's all about, and that's what my channel's all about. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. And if you want to stick around for some more, please subscribe. Again, appreciate it. See you on the next one.